Hey guys, welcome back to another exclusive virtual property tour. And I'm saying exclusive because while you can walk into any one of the staged model homes, this exclusive access gives blank canvas. I'm Malika of Ayers & Co Realty, and I'm your Georgia and Texas licensed realtor specializing in new construction. And you guys, we hit 200 subscribers here on YouTube, and I appreciate every single one of you for supporting my channel. So without further ado, let's get into it. Welcome home to 1360 Flora Drive in Conyers, Georgia, within the Eastmore subdivision. And this beautiful Craftsman home is the Blufton floor plan, featuring 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and your primary on the main with direct access to your covered patio. You have beautiful hardwood floors throughout and an 11-foot ceiling in the great room. The layout opens directly into a gourmet kitchen featuring quartz countertops with a waterfall edge, a gas cooktop, and a large dining area that flows right out to that same covered outdoor patio with your fenced backyard. The great room also features a fireplace, making this space perfect for everyday living and entertaining. Also on this main level, you'll find 2 additional secondary bedrooms, both with private ensuite bathrooms. And for your primary spacious suite, I'm in complete awe of the spotlight bathroom. Frameless shower with a bench seat, rain shower head, and a separate soaking tub. Upstairs offers a large loft and an additional bedroom with its own private bath, giving you flexibility for guests, work from home, or extra living space. Now, this home is move-in ready and priced just under $580,000. And with the builder's preferred lender, you'll receive a full 6% seller contribution towards interest rate buydowns or your closing costs. Now, if this layout doesn't quite suit your needs, let's connect. There are newly released larger single-family homes available, plus there are townhomes that may be a better fit. Shoot me an email at mharris@norluxrealty.com or call or text at the number here to start the conversation. As always, feel free to reach out directly if this community or any new builds in Atlanta or Houston are on your radar, or click the link in the description below where you'll find free new construction guides and the ability to grab a spot on my calendar to discuss the next steps into becoming a homeowner. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you know who is looking to purchase or build their next home. I look forward to working with you. Enjoy the tour and stay tuned for next week.